Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can send link in Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's start. To begin, open your Monopoly Go. And then just tap on Friends tab. From this Friends tab, you can see Friends and Family. Next, just tap on Invite Friends. Now just tap on Copy to copy the link. After copying the link, you can now send this to your friends. And take note that when you invite your friends and they join, you can get some rewards. So you can invite by using or copying the link, or you can invite directly on Messenger. Just tap on this orange invite or blue invite so that you can invite your friends. That's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.